Now, power tussle continues in Punjab. Massive show of strength by both captain and Sidhu. Sidhu is now gathering support unit. In fact, within the state unit itself, he is now meeting with several leaders there, garnering support, holding a series of meetings since yesterday at his home. Punjab Congress MPs, meanwhile, are meeting in Delhi at the residence of Amrinder's loyalist Pratap Singh Bajwa. They will be seeking time to meet Sonia Gandhi to discuss party issues. Sources have told India Today that Punjab Chief Minister and other prominent congressmen are now in favour of appointing Sidhu as the Punjab Congress chief. Captain and other leaders are of the view that the post of PCC chief must be given to Pratap Singh Bajwa, a key arch rival of Sidhu. 10 Congress Punjab MLAs have now released a statement urging the party high command not to let down Captain Amrinder Singh. In fact, they say that Captain is the tallest leader and the Congress is standing tall because of Amrinder Singh in Punjab. Now, the MLAs also demand Sidhu to apologise to Captain and further accused him of creating a rift in the party. Meanwhile, after meeting with 30 MLAs and ministers, including Punjab Congress President Sunil Jakhar, yesterday, Sidhu has now met with MLA Madan Lal in Patiala, garnering support for himself within the state unit.
क्योंकि इलेक्शंस में हम जाने वाले हैं, फाइनल 6 महीने रह गए और जो भी कोई पार्टी को कैसे मजबूत किया जा सकता है, कोई कमी पेशी हो, उसकी इंटरनल डिस्कशन होगी।
पंजाब के लोग चाह रहे हैं, पंजाब का यूथ चाह रहा है, पंजाब का किसान चाह रहा है, पंजाब का सिख वोटर चाह रहा है। वो कहते हैं जब तक सिद्धू जी अध्यक्ष प्रधान नहीं बनेंगे पंजाब कांग्रेस के, तो पंजाब में वोट डालनी बड़ी मुश्किल हो जाएगी। आज पंजाब का यूथ निराश होया बैठा है। इस करके मैं कहता हूं पंजाब जो साढ़े सोनिया गांधी जी, राहुल गांधी, प्रियंका गांधी जी का मैं धन्यवाद करता हूं, जिनकी सोच अच्छी है, जो इनको प्रधान बनाने जा रहे हैं।
I'm going to cut across to Ashutosh Mishra reporting live from the Congress office in Delhi. Ashutosh, the kind of rumbling within the Congress unit in Punjab is now out in the open and quite an embarrassment for the party. You have the polls coming up in just a few months away. But a quick word, let me take you through what Pratap Singh Bajwa has to say about this rumbling within the Congress.
जैसे हम MPs को मिल रहे हैं, वो MLAs को मिल रहे हैं, बड़ी अच्छी खुशी वाली बात है।
ये बात में थोड़ी सच्चाई है कि संसद जितने भी सांसद हैं उन्होंने कहा है कि नवजोत सिंह सिद्धू जो है अगर प्रधान बनते हैं तो हम आला कमान को जाके समझाएंगे क्योंकि पंजाब के लिए ठीक
नहीं, बिल्कुल ऐसी तो जिक्र ही कोई नहीं हुआ, ऐसा कोई जिक्र नहीं हुआ। ये सारे जो मुद्दे पार्लियामेंट के सामने आने किसानों से जुड़े हुए प्राइस राइज के साथ।
किसान संसद मार्च की गल कर रहे हैं, किसान संसद मार्च की गल कर रहे हैं, ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਹੋਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਪਿਛਲੀ ਵਾਰੀ ਜੋ ਕੁਝ ਹੋਇਆ 26 ਜਨਵਰੀ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ
ਨਹੀਂ ਪੀਸਫੁਲੀ ਹੋਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਹੈ। ਵੇਖੋ ਕਿਸਾਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਕਿਹਾ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ 200 ਤੋਂ ਵੱਧ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਾਵਾਂਗੇ, ਪੀਸਫੁਲੀ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਔਰ ਸਾਰੇ ਹਿੰਦੁਸਤਾਨ ਦੇ ਕਿਸਾਨ ਵੀਰਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਮੈਂ ਦੱਸਣਾ ਚਾਹਨਾ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਕਾਂਗਰਸ ਦੇ ਐਮਪੀਜ਼ ਨੇ ਫੈਸਲਾ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਵੀ ਸੰਯੁਕਤ ਮੋਰਚਾ ਦੇ ਕਿਸਾਨ ਆਣਗੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਉਸ ਧਰਨੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਸ਼ਮੂਲੀਅਤ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਜੇ ਉਹ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਅਲਾਉ ਕਰਨਗੇ। ਜੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਇਜਾਜ਼ਤ ਦੇਣਗੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਉਸ ਧਰਨੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਮਦਦ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ, ਉੱਥੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੋ ਕੇ ਬੈਠਾਂਗੇ। ਸਾਡੀ ਸਹਾਨੁਭੂਤੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨਾਲ।
अगर नवजोत सिंह सिद्धू को प्रधान बना दिया जाता है आप एक्सेप्ट करेंगे?
भाई मेरी बात सुनो, ये तो सारी कांग्रेस ने हमेशा ही पार्टी हाईकमांड के हर हुक्म की पालना की है। हम तो लॉयल कांग्रेस के वर्कर्स हैं, साथी हैं, तो कोई भी बना दो।
कैप्टन साहब मान गए क्या सर?
भाई वो कैप्टन साहब को सवाल करो ना, मुझे मत करो, मैं उनको रिप्रेजेंट नहीं ना करता कैप्टन साहब को। मेरे
जो नवजोत सिंह सिद्धू जो है वो सक्सेसफुल होंगे?
मेरी बात सुनो भाई, पहले अनाउंसमेंट तो होने दो ना, अनाउंसमेंट होगी उसके बाद।
कब तक हो जाएगी?
मुझे देखो, मैं आप AICC का ऑफिस बेरर तो हूँ नहीं, मुझे तो खुद नहीं पता, आपको ज्यादा जानकारी होती है मेरे से ज्यादा। ठीक है भैया, थैंक यू।
Well, there you have it, Pratap Singh Bajwa, who's a loyalist of Captain Amrinder Singh, the Chief Minister. Remember, several MPs are currently meeting with Bajwa, who's a loyalist of Captain. In fact, they seem to be asking an appointment with the Congress High Command to raise their grievances with the High Command, with Sonia Gandhi. Of course, they're not very happy with the fact that there are speculations already rife that Navjot Singh Sidhu may just be made the chief of the Congress unit in Punjab. Ashutosh Mishra with more on that. Ashutosh, now we just heard what Bajwa had to say. He said that he's not a spokesperson for Captain Amrinder Singh, but everything will be sorted in due course of time. He is Captain's loyalist. We know that many MPs are now meeting with Bajwa to try and discuss and raise their concerns or their dissent against Sidhu being made the chief of the Congress unit of Punjab. What more do we know of this dissent right now brewing in Punjab?
So the round of meetings that we're seeing taking place from Chandigarh to Delhi, remember the Sidhu has also met his loyalist MLAs in Chandigarh. Today, Bajwa meeting the MPs, and tomorrow there's going to be another round of meeting where Sunil Jagar, the PPCC, the state president, is going to meet all the legislators, local MLAs and the district president. So there are three case scenarios, Nabila. First, to get the house in order, end this feud in the party. Secondly, bring Captain and Sidhu together, because if the feud continues, this is certainly going to hamper the electoral prospect of Congress, particularly in the state, which is heading for the elections early, next year by February or March next year. And with that, what the kind of development that is coming from the both faction, be it the Sidhu faction or the Amrinder faction, neither of them are ready to come on board with each other. Now when Amrinder says the Sidhu need to apologize for all the remarks that he had made in the past, Sidhu at the same time seeking bigger responsibility, has been attacking on the captain. The biggest challenge, one and only thing, is to bring both them on board together without any fight, without any faction, if they have to go in the polls and battle with, to sustain the anti-incumbency, to fight the anti-incumbency that the Congress is facing in Punjab. But clearly at the moment what happening, it's only the different factions taking meeting of their loyalists, be it the MLAs or the MPs. What we also told at 5 p.m. at this Congress headquarters in New Delhi, there will be a press conference. Now, is it going to about the announcement of Sidhu as a state president? That yet to be seen, because what we know that tomorrow the Punjab state president Sunil Jagar is meeting the local MLAs and the district president. So clearly everything remain uncertain. The infight continues. However, leaders from all the factions, they're saying only one thing on record, that it will be resolved soon. But it's been really long time.
Absolutely,
There is
and it's
no end
embarrassing
the
to
feud
say
which
the
is continuing
least.
from Chandigarh to New Delhi.
Ashutosh, it is embarrassing, and it's about time that the Congress really brings their house in order if they really want to be tasting victory the second time over.